feeling? I've just tried the 1111 product, and I honestly, I don't even really, I have looked at my face in the mirror and I am astonished how amazing it looks, especially without makeup, because I pretty much wear makeup every day to cover and smooth my skin. And so I'm feeling like already the pigmentation has smoothed out and the pores, but I don't even have to look in the mirror to notice what I'm feeling. So I'm feeling like my circulation is going on in my skin. My skin feels alive and fresh. And so I'm just thrilled with even just how it feels, not to mention the thrill of looking at it and seeing that it's smoother and more refined and less pores. And I'm excited to actually put some makeup on just to see how amazing it goes on over top. But I would highly, I know I'm hooked. I will be using this product for a long time. I love it already. I'm in love. I have a very happy feeling and my heart feels very good. And I'm excited about it, and I would highly recommend it, anybody to try it.